and remove more dirt with a powerful Airspeed Unlimited Rewind from Eureka. The next generation of the popular Eureka Airspeed is more powerful and lighter than ever before, for a deep clean you can be confident in. Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind has proven power that cleans carpets better than the Dyson DC-41. The force behind the vacuum's powerful clean is Eureka exclusive Airspeed technology. Unlike most other vacuums, Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind is engineered with an efficient air path with limited bends and turns. This allows more air to pass through it. The direct air path from the floor into the dust cup means less distance for dirt to travel. This increases airflow to create powerful suction and guarantee you a deep, confident clean for every surface in your home. The Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind boasts a maximum power 12-amp motor and a never loses suction multi-cyclonic system to maintain suction power longer. And now, Eureka has taken the powerful carpet cleaning of Airspeed beyond your carpets with a brush roll that turns off to safely clean all hard floor surfaces. And on to deep clean carpets, the Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind is engineered to be lightweight and durable. And with soft rubber wheels and Eureka's easy-to-push, smooth glide technology, it is easy to maneuver throughout the home. Take Airspeed suction power above the floor with nearly 40 feet of extended cleaning reach, an extra long power cord, and extension cleaning wand, plus onboard tools to clean hard-to-reach areas. Use the stair and upholstery turbo nozzle to remove ground-in debris on upholstery, stairs, and more. The Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind features a high-efficiency allergen filter to help remove dust and allergens, and a washable, reusable dust cup filter which requires less frequent replacement. When cleaning is complete, an automatic cord rewind makes storage quick and easy. The features of your Airspeed vacuum may vary depending on the model purchased. The Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind, powerful enough to clean all the floors in your home with confidence and ease. Experience Eureka power with the Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind.
The Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro is a versatile vacuum that tackles everything from carpets and hard floors to hard-to-reach areas, furniture, and places above the floor. The cleaning pod easily detaches from the floor nozzle to give you a lightweight solution for cleaning with accessories on stairs and other areas around your home. For a thorough clean on hard floors, use the included Dust Away attachment, which combines powerful suction with a microfiber pad to pick up fine dust and large debris on tile, wood, and more.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented WindTunnel technology. The Lynx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hey, Mom. Look at you. Your purple outfit in your bow.
Ugh, let's rewind. With the Hoover T-Series Rewind, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, great on all floor surfaces with no loss of suction. Really get the dirt off the floor with more channels of suction. That's patented WindTunnel technology. So when you clean, do it right the first time with the Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind.